In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search chats on WhatsApp web. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find messages, people, and shared media quickly, right from your computer. First, open your preferred web browser and search for WhatsApp web. Click the official result to open the site. You'll know you're in the right place when you see a large QR code on the page. Using a modern browser helps things load smoothly, and it's a good idea to close extra tabs if your computer is running slow. Next, scan the QR code so you're logged into the same account that's on your phone. On your phone, open WhatsApp, go to the menu or settings, and select the option to link a device. Your camera will open. Simply point it at the QR code on your computer screen and wait a moment for the connection to finish. Make sure your phone has an active internet connection during this step. Keep your phone nearby and unlocked the first time to avoid timeouts. If you've already linked your browser in the past, WhatsApp web may load your chats automatically. Once your chats are visible on the left-hand side, look at the top of that column. You'll see a search bar sitting above your chat list. Click into that bar to activate it. If the list is long, this is the fastest way to jump straight to what you need. Type the word, name, or phrase you're looking for. This can be part of a message, the name of a contact or group, or a keyword you remember from a conversation. As you type, WhatsApp will start showing matching chats and messages. If you see the result you want, click it to open the conversation at the relevant point. If you're not sure of the exact wording, try a distinctive part of the message instead of a full sentence. To refine what you see, take advantage of the filters that appear beneath the search bar. You can narrow your results by selecting photos, videos, or links. For example, if you only want to find a link someone shared, select links to hide everything else. You can combine a keyword with a filter to pinpoint results even faster, like typing a site name and tapping links. If you don't get what you expect, clear the filter and try another, or adjust your keyword slightly. That's it. Open WhatsApp web, link your phone, use the search bar, enter your keyword, and apply filters for photos, videos, or links to narrow things down. With these steps, you'll find what you need in seconds.